Your vehicle has a highly advanced available navigation system to help you find places you want to go, get what you want along the way, and show you the way home again. After you first started the vehicle and accepted the terms and conditions on the touchscreen, touch the navigation icon. Using voice commands is a great way to access the system's features. When you push the talk button on the steering wheel, make sure to minimize background noise, close the windows and moonroof, and speak in a clear, natural voice. Let's set your home address so you can use the Go Home feature. First, touch the Options menu. Then, select Manage Places. Press Home. Choose Address. If you're home, just touch Select from Map. The system will ask you to confirm your choice by touching Save. If you're not home, touch Address Search, enter your address with the keyboard, and touch Save. Here's how to set a destination. If you're not moving, you can touch the search icon on the map screen and start entering an address using the keyboard. When the correct address appears in the list, touch it and then touch Go. Route guidance will begin. If you're on the move and want to get directions, push the talk button and say Navigation, and then enter address. Then say the address like you were reading an envelope. Say the line number of the correct address, and then say Go. You're on your way. Now you're in an unfamiliar area and getting hungry. Press the talk button, say Navigation, and then Find Fast Food. Say the line number of the restaurant that sounds tasty, and go. Problem solved. See your vehicle's owner's manual for more details, or go to owners.honda.com for a downloadable version.